All right, guys, here we go. It's round. It has 3 tabs on it, and it's rubber. What is it?
That is an old friend.
An old friend?
Absolutely. Do you guys ever have one of these?
You know, new friends.
Old friend?
I new friends. Nowadays, we have smartphones, and we can look up to the heavens, and we can see the stars. We can see the planets.
You
There's
look at
the
your
moon.
phone for the stars?
Have you ever? Yeah, everybody's got that on their smartphone. There's Uranus, there's Venus, Saturn.
Oh, so it tells you what
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Well, in the old days, this is what we had.
A hole?
A hole. And you say, I think that's the moon. What do you think?
Full moon.
That's it, huh?
Yeah, that's
That's
it.
not-
Simpler, though. A simpler time.
I see the moon.
Yeah.
Barren, empty. No, this is a safety ceiling fan, okay?
Yeah.
You know, those ceiling fans, they spin really fast, and when you stand up and you get a little close, some people run the risk of, normal-sized people run the
over
risk
your
of
head,
hitting them.
Tommy.
And
Yeah.
so this, for big people, normal people, this would protect you. This would protect you from getting clipped.
Yeah, good. You
Okay.
should be quick.
No?
I love Thanksgiving. The only problem is when it comes to the wishbone. 2 people, you have a winner and you have a loser. We
can't have that.
Can't have that. Grab hold, guys. Okay?
What's this?
This is a new wishbone. Get out. Richard.
You're a loser.
We're good.
I'm a loser. I thought there was no losers.
We pull. Make a wish. Make a wish.
I made a wish.
Did your wish come true?
No, you guys are still here.
Oh, nice.
So everybody
Not
knows.
what it is at all.
Oh, you know?
You guys ever mixed anything in a 5-gallon bucket?
No.
Like
Sure.
paint, thin set, you do a tile job or plaster. You put it in here, let me have that drill right there. You put it in there and you turn it on and the bucket goes all over the place.
Oh, my goodness.
So you have to hold it between your feet, figure it out, drop that on the floor there, Sonny. Put this in here, you step on the tab, turn the bucket on, bucket stays in place.
Nice.